It is so hot. Oh my gosh.
Oh
It's so
my
hot.
God.
I don't appreciate that.
She drop it low. She drop it low. She put my coat. She put my coat. She talking to me.
What's up, you guys? I am currently at the thrift store. I am about to go inside. It took me a minute to find this place, and I don't really know what I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, my thumb. I don't really know I really don't know what this thrift store has because I've never been here before, but this is just out of curiosity, and I thought I would take you guys along with me for this cute little thrift trip. So if you're interested in watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and make sure you follow me on TikTok and Instagram at GabbyRobinson27. Alright, let's get inside.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky.
I love the color of these pants, but like I have enough purple I think, so maybe not. And also the dress pants, like where am I going? These pants are so cute, these shorts, just to lounge around. And I know it's not summer, but I don't care. You know, inside I say yes, but also, like, it's giving, like, banana. I guess that Friends reference? Because I watched the whole season and I don't even know where this is.
Coming down like precipitation, I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination, gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line.
Just got back out of the thrift store. I spent like an hour in there. I wasn't like super amazed by their selection, but I mean, like, they had enough for me to get some stuff. Like, I get some stuff. There's the stuff. It is so hot. Oh my gosh. It's so hot.
Oh my God.
It's so hot. Wow. Like, sis, like, I am perspiring. I've been sitting here for like 3 minutes. I am no longer glistening. This is not a glistening thing. This is perspiration. Like, excessive perspiration. Unnecessary. Totally unnecessary. Oh my gosh. It looks like I just took a shower. Oh my gosh. I don't appreciate that.
1 hour later.
Okay, I'm back. Finally back home. Where it's not 7,000 degrees. So, I'm just going to show you guys what I got real quick. Okay, so the first item I ended up getting is this button-down little blouse. It has like a flower kind of pattern on it. I thought this would go really cute with some flare pants, some like black flare pants. And I have some in my closet, which is why I bought it. I feel like you could wear it to like work. Looks like a work blouse. Like, I'm not really a person who buys a lot of dark colors, but you know, I gotta get into it a little bit before. So the next item that I will show you guys is probably my favorite item that I got, and I know it's kind of early for favorites, but it's just like a men's like button down, but it's tan and it's pretty long. So I was thinking that I could probably use it like as a dress on me and like use some like knee high or like thigh high boots to go with it, and I feel like that would go really cute. That's kind of fall, right? Like, that's kind of fall vibes. I don't know. I also, you know, what worries me? Wow, did you guys hear that? What worries me is that I always buy all this tan. Like, I have a bunch of tan things, but I end up not wearing it. So I'm gonna try my best to style this in my upcoming styling video, because I need to start wearing my stuff. The next item I want to show you guys is another, like, I guess you could say it's another, no, this one's a t-shirt. It's not like, I guess it's a blouse. It has a weird pattern, but I thought it was cute. I thought it was vibey. I like this collar, like the black collar. I also thought that I could use this as a dress because it was kind of long, and put my boots underneath that as well. And I feel like that'd be a cute vibe, and maybe even add like a black belt over it too, like on my waist, so that it makes it girlier and it just pulls the outfit together. Yeah, that one's cute. One thing I will say about this thrift store, when I went in there, a lot of the things were marked down pretty low, so like that was nice. Like that blouse that I just showed you guys was like $1. Not like $1, it was $1. Not everything was like that, but that is one upside that their store had compared to the thrift store I normally go to. Everything else was like $5, or like the items that I paid for, like the highest I paid was $10 for one of the things, I think, and everything else is like $8 or $7. The next item I want to show you guys is this bicycle sweatshirt, and you know, maybe this isn't everybody's vibe, but like it caught my eye for some reason. Like I feel like this would be so cute with like something black, like maybe like a black skirt, like a black pleated skirt, or like a black like corduroy skirt, and maybe some like knee-high socks and the boots. Get the boots out. Always use the boots for fall. But yeah, I don't know, I just like the pattern. Anything with like a pattern kind of just draws me in and like catches my eye. I thought it was cute. I like the texture. I think it's like a nice little heavy sweater, and I'm normally not a sweater gal, honestly. I really am not, but it's a men's sweater, so it's probably gonna fit a little bit bigger, I hope. And yeah, it says February. No, it says Forever 21 on the tag, so Forever 21 men. That's what we're doing. So next item that I want to show you guys are these plaid like slacks, and they have like a pop of pink. I thought they would go really cute with that bubblegum pink button down that I showed you guys in my styling video, my thrift styling video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. But yeah, I just thought they were cute. Clearly I'm into like dressier vibes, like going to work vibes, but like also the kind of jobs that I work don't even require these kinds of attires, so I really don't know what I'm doing here. But I don't know, I thought they were cute, and I was probably incentivized by the price. Like this is one of the items that was $1, and you know, so if I can't fit them, then I can easily just donate them back. So I told you guys there weren't that many items in this haul, but this last item I want to show you guys is this plaid skirt. It says H&M on the tag, which I don't really have a lot of H&M clothes, so I don't really know how it's gonna fit on me. But what really drew me in were these buttons here, and again, like styling wise, I was like, okay, I could probably use like a white long sleeve top, tights underneath, and like maybe some like, I don't have Doc Martens, so let's stop ribbing, but some like combat boots, and I feel like that'd be really cute. This was one of the items that was not marked down, but it was $7, so that's not bad. Let's just hope it fits. Alright guys, so that was the end of my mini thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little thrift with me. I know you guys haven't seen that on my channel before, but I really like thrifting, and I just want to go and like explore different thrift stores, and I'll take you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Robinson27. Alright guys, I'll see you next week. Bye. I'm ready, maybe not. Ooh, I think my camera just slid a little bit. That's not it. Okay, I think we're ready.